Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, please, at the end of this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. All right. So today's video will be on how to concatenate two words using Excel. For instance, if you have two names on different cells and you want to put them together, I'm going to show you how to do that. So for us to start, we're going to build a table of 5 rows. Okay. So the first cell here will be our first name, column, then last name, full name. All right, first name could be anything, John, last name, Powell, Simon, Eric, Jones. Okay, so now I want to combine both cells, both names as one. So just show what the full name is. So the first name here is on cell A2, while the second name here is on cell B2. So we want to concatenate both names on cell C2. So what we're going to do is we highlight C2. All right, on the formula bar, we type equal sign, then A2, then the ampersand sign, then double quotes, then space, because it's going to be John space Paul, then another double quote, ampersand sign, then B2, cell B2. And once you've done this, just press the enter key on your keyboard. And that's it. We have both names combined. Okay. Now to reflect this same thing on other cells, all you need to do is click on the lower right at the edge of this first cell, this cell here. Once the cross sign comes up, you click on it, hold it, and you drag it down, and you stop. So it reflects on other cells. Okay. So this, we've just concatenated both cells in one. Thank you for viewing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you once more, and have a good day.